Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, June 16. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we are looking at the chart of the US dollar Canadian dollars right here, and we have ended with 2 right here, and now looking for with 3 to the upside. And within wave 3 it will subdivide into 5 waves. We ended with 1 of 3 right here, looking for a pullback in the wave 2 in 3 waves. Then as long as we stay above 125.14, we should be looking for further upside. So pretty clear that the cycle completes as an impulse, and it's also pretty clear it looks like an impulse. So now as long as the pullback should be in 3 waves, holds above 125.14, again we should be looking for more upside. Now let's zoom out a little bit. In terms of giving a rough idea where wave 2 could possibly end, you can use retracement for now. Can go at least 38.2% retracement, or ideally even 50 or 61.8 to finish this wave 2 before the next leg up again. If we zoom out, let's see, it's a little bit sideways when you zoom out. But again, I think the key is that this rally looks impulsive, and therefore if it is impulsive, then it seems to suggest that we should be looking for at least another leg higher, right? Because this could not be, if this is an impulse, it's gonna be difficult to pick, to kind of come up with a count in which we should be extending to new low from here, right? So if you want to come up with a count to extend to new low from here, then this has to be corrective, I think, because a C wave of a flat also is not possible. It's very difficult to come up with such count, which suggests that we should be looking for further upside again as long as we stay above this level here. Now in terms of possible target on the upside, now like I say, it's a little bit sideways, but if you just simply measure extension from this low in June, now you can see from the low in June we have a upside target of 132 possibly, right? So which is simply just an upside extension from this low. All right, so that's going to be a possible upside extension target on the higher and shorter cycle. Again, looking for any tips to find buyers now against 125.14 for another leg higher. Alright, so if you do want to get regular updates on the Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the YouTube video. Alright, so I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.